The top 10 silent killer diseases you must know. Number 1. High blood pressure. It is one of the most common diseases and we have heard about it a number of times surrounding us. High blood pressure stands for blood pressure reading goes to 140/90ths of a millimeter Hg or higher. It also called hypertension. As per study, nearly 70 million American adults are suffering from it. The reason behind tending to this disease are smoking, stress, excessive drinking and high salt intake. Apart from it, using birth control pills, pain reliever, adrenal diseases, genetic factors and kidney disease are also associated to this disease. It is difficult to find out if someone has this disease or not as there is not noticeable symptoms of high blood pressure. But some symptoms occur like shortness of breath, headaches or nosebleeds to whom having high blood pressure. It is essential to control it, otherwise it may lead to heart disease or even strokes. To identify it, it is required to measure it on a regular basis. If it is 140/90ths of a millimeter of mercury or more than it, then you must consult your doctor. Number 2. Skin cancer. This disease develops very slowly and it occurs in the upper layers of your skin. It happens because of overexposure to UV radiation. And that's why it is required to avoid to come direct in the sun. Before stepping out, you must use quality-oriented cream. Having a scaly patch or red lump may which doesn't get cured easily lead to skin cancer. Number 3. Diabetes. We all have heard about it, but know very less what exactly it is. There are two types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. In case of type, the body gets failed to make any insulin. Type 2 diabetes is a metabolic disorder, and your body becomes unable to make enough insulin or cannot consume it properly. Diabetes is considered a silent killer disease. Blurry vision, slow healing sores, frequent urination, weight loss are some of the most common symptoms. Though the exact cause of diabetes have not disclosed yet, but there are many things which lead to this silent killer disease like a poor diet, genetics, obesity and lack of exercise. If you find any symptom, head to the doctor. It can be controlled by taking insulin and other medications. Number 4. Fatty liver disease. This is another silent killer disease in this list. Having fatty liver disease means the liver finds difficult to break down fats, which get developed in the liver tissue. There are two kinds of fatty liver diseases: alcoholic liver disease and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Taking excessive amount of alcohol leads to alcoholic liver disease while the cause of non-alcoholic disease is not identified yet. The chance of having this disease gets rise if you had gastric bypass, high cholesterol, sleep apnea, obesity, type 2 diabetes, underactive pituitary gland and an underactive thyroid. This disease can be detected at an early stage with the help of blood test or ultrasound. Number 5. Osteoporosis. It is a bone-oriented disease which plays a crucial role to make them brittle and thin. It does not hold any symptom to get detected at the early stages. This disease can occur at any age. Back pain, stooped posture, bone fractures are some of the symptoms of having this disease. It can be the cause of having a family history, poor diet, lack of exercise and smoking. To stay away from this problem, you must go along with regular exercise, healthy diet, and limited alcohol and avoid smoking. Number 6. Lung cancer. It belongs to lung, which can occur in women and men both. If someone is diagnosed with this disease, he or she may not lead a longer life more than 5 years. Detection at early stage can save the life. Number 7. Colon cancer. Colon cancer has affected 1,000 of people in the US. It is a kind of tumor which holds small shape in the starting. Most of these polyps are non-cancerous, but when they are left untreated or ignored, some of them get turned into cancerous. If they are detected in an early stage, they can be treated. To stay away from this problem, you must aware about your body. Blood in stool, unusual gas, low blood count, unexplained weight loss, constipation are some of the major symptoms associated to colon cancer. Number 8. Breast cancer. The cases of breast cancer are rising day by day. Breast cancer can be fatal if it is not treated in an accurate manner. Breast cancer is one of the most leading cancer killers in women. During breast cancer, cells start to get multiplied and then spread to other parts of the body. Number 9. Coronary artery disease, CAD. It is one of the common salient killer disease belong to the heart. In this case, plaque get built up in the walls of arteries. Having regular plaque in the wall of arteries narrows the arteries, which makes tough to go the blood flow normally. It may lead to totally block the blood flow, which result heart failure. Course of this disease can be a family history of heart disease, smoking, avoiding physical activity and being overweight. Number 10. Obstructive sleep apnea. It is also listed in the top 10 silent killer diseases. It leads to a risk factor for sudden death during sleep or stroke. In this disease, throat get obstructed during sleep, if an individual hold heavy weight,